Estamos en la ciudad de Chattanooga, en el gran estado de Tennessee, donde hay un poquito de frío este fin de semana, pero estamos en un lugar muy lindo, muy hermoso y maravilloso, donde cada año yo tengo la oportunidad de presentar un concierto el fin de semana del Día de Acción de Gracias.
To come up, and we're going to do a duet, a trio, a song that we did 12 years or 13 years ago at the 25th anniversary concert. It's the first time we're redoing it in 13 years. This is a song that my mother wrote. She is a pianist, a violinist, a guitarist, an accordionist, and a composer. And most of the talent that I have came from her. My dad played the belt. My mom, my sister, and I are going to share this beautiful song called My Clean Hands.
Thank you.